Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Notion. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to log out of your Notion workspace, and for some reason, you can't find the Notion logout button. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and open up your Notion account. Next, click on the workspace on the upper left-hand corner. And then right under here, underneath all your workspaces, you're going to go ahead and click on log out. You're going to see a confirmation here that says log out of your account. You will need to log back in to access your Notion workspaces. Go ahead and click on log out, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Notion. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.